In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off allow others to join on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you're using an iPhone 12 Pro Max, this video is going to walk you through how you can easily disable allow others to join your Wi-Fi network. So with this is going to completely turn off your iPhone Wi-Fi hotspot. So if I don't know this video, you found this video really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do, when you want to disable or turn off allow others to join on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini or iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, is go to your phone settings. On the settings page, click on mobile service or cellular service depending on your device and click on personal hotspot. Now if you don't want to go through that steps, just come down to personal hotspot here, click on that, then locate allow others to join and toggle off this. Once that is disabled, this is going to disable your iPhone personal hotspot. You see that personal hotspot is off, and once this is enabled, this is going to enable your iPhone personal hotspot. So that's all you need to do to disable or turn off allow others to join on iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.